Hello EDUC522, welcome to my 9th grade English class. I will be presenting to my students about plot structure. So come on in, take a seat and watch how I present plot structure to my students. Hello students, welcome to your 9th grade English class. My name is Ms. Chavez and I will be your teacher. I will be introducing a new assignment for us that will last 3 weeks. It will begin July 7th and end on July 25th. For the 3 weeks, we will be learning about plot structure. There are 5 points that we will be discussing. We will learn about Aristotle and about his contributions to plot structure, as well as Gustav Freytag and his important contributions to what is now known as plot structure. Let's go ahead and look at some exciting and important technology that we will be using for these 3 weeks. Document cameras, iPads, iMac computer, smartboard, and headsets, just to name a few. We will also be using a lot of great and interactive apps such as YouTube, Pen Ultimate, iMovie, Paper 53, and Microsoft Word. Let's look at the overview for week 1. I will be showing you a PowerPoint presentation about plot structure, the 3 types of conflicts, 4 types of linear plots. We will also be viewing a music video. For week 2, we will be reviewing and watching a Mickey Mouse cartoon, using Twitter, and reading a short story. For week 3, we will be using the iMovie application, Twitter, and giving you a grading rubric on your individual project assignment. So how do I know that these 3 weeks are truly going to be the best 3 weeks? Is because I have made sure to cover all 8 multiple intelligences. Each of us learn different and like to give a final product different compared to everyone. So I've made sure that all of us will be able to use our greatest strength of multiple intelligences. For those of us who have the MI strength naturalist, you will be allowed to work outside of the classroom. And for those of us who are visual or intrapersonal, you have the opportunity to use headsets and the iPad. So one way for all of us to stay on track throughout these 3 weeks is by visiting our class website. Here you will find all of the things that we will be covering each day. You will see important worksheets that you will be able to have access to by printing or just look for reference. I will also place instructions for certain assignments. During week 3, which is your final week, you will be working on your final project. This is what you will be doing. Think about a time in your life when you were faced with a difficult decision. How did this impact your life? You will use the 5 points to plot structure to explain this. You will use iMovie to record yourself using the iPad. This should be no more than 4 to 5 minutes, and you will send it by email to me. Where can you go after school to work on this assignment? The first place is the Resource Center. We have iMac computers here where you could access iMovie. You could also go to the Innovation Lab. Here you could check out the iPad and also have access to all of the 40 iMac computers. Remember, there is no printing here, only being able to send documents by email or Dropbox. Make sure when you check out an iPad that you fill out the checkout list. Then you will go ahead and head towards the iPad cart. You will select one iPad. Make sure to grab it gently and you will detach the cord of the charger. Now where will you locate the iMovie application? On the iPad, The home screen at the bottom on the right has the red square box iMovie. Click there and you will find your video recordings that you have worked on. Who can help you with iMovie? Ms. Hong and myself will be able to assist you with all that you need help with. Throughout the 3 weeks, I have made sure that all teaching and learning are in line with the Common Core state standards for the state of California. It is grade appropriate, 9th grade, and this is your English Language Arts class, which we do cover. And this is under the literacy, which we focus on advancing to the plot or development. So class, I have also included the ISTE standards, which are standards for learning, teaching, and leading in the digital age and are widely recognized and adopted worldwide, which is why I have made sure to incorporate a lot of technology during these 3 weeks. This is your rubric on how you will be graded on worksheets or other assignments that you will need to turn in. This is available on the class website for you to view. So class, what do you guys think about our next 3 weeks? I have planned out so many great activities for each of us to do. We'll be doing a lot of group sharing and presentations and a lot of critical thinking. I really want you guys to master plot structure. So the next 3 weeks will be super fun and exciting. I've set a lot of standards, but I know that each of you will be able to get and reach those standards and really learn a lot throughout these 3 weeks. So I really cannot wait till we get started. I hope you guys are as excited as I am, and I know we are going to learn so much during these 3 weeks on plot structure. See you guys on Monday. Bye.